It shall be illusions. Our transgression shall be our triumph, and all destruction of the weak shall be our glory. Let us summon the ending darkness. Let us unleash the eternal fury of the abyss, and let us reign supreme in the kingdom of the town. Sin shall be